Welcome to RPUp. In this video, we'll discuss about 8th video of Power BI playlist, where we are going to see what is include and exclude functionality in Power BI. So if you have started directly with this video, I will request you to go through my complete Power BI playlist. Otherwise, you'll miss very important sections. Here, my target is to share the knowledge without taking a single penny with you, where you will become an expert in Power BI. If you wanted to start your journey from beginner to advanced level, I would request you to refer the complete playlist. And trust me, at the end of the playlist, you'll also get a certifications. So once you will finish the complete playlist, share your feedback into the comments. This will always encourage me to add more content related to it. And once you will complete the playlist, share your email ID. I will send out certificates for completion of this Power BI playlist. Let's start with today's topic, include and exclude. Let's first understand what is it. So include and exclude is a part of filter. If you want to apply the filter, probably we are using this functionality. Here, if we are working into the chart, any charts or a stake column chart, and we wanted to keep just two informations, this one and this one. In that case, just we are including these two. It means it's a comparison between two stakes. So here I've just expanded this view and we'll click here. And once you'll click on this, it will go into the wizard. Now I don't want to just focus on this. If I wanted to just include this sections, I can just click on any of those options and select include. And whenever you'll go to the filter, you can see we have just included this option. But if you want, even you can include any other options. In terms of order number, you can always apply the filter and this filter will be added successfully. If I wanted to revert it back, I will just do this undo, and post that we'll have the complete data available. Now you can see it here. Similarly, when you wanted to perform this include and exclude operations, left click on any of this bar. First, select control, left click on any of those bar and select second option. Keep selecting the control options. Here, whenever you want to select multiple pieces, then first press control and left click, and post that you can select any of those options. And here, once we have these data available, we'll just click on include or exclude. This data will be generated for us. Now I will select first this, then this, and then include. So we have the comparison of just two bar rather than having everything. In similar way, we can also do it for exclude. If I wanted to exclude this bar, what I will do, I will just select exclude and this bar will be removed for me. It means the data which is available for me, excluding those informations. So whenever I want to include and exclude any of the bar chart, I can easily do it with the help of Power BI include and exclude functionality. And if you wanted to see the filter, here we can see the exclude filter is applicable. Include and exclude is nothing but applying the filter based on our requirement, the data to be displayed. So this is how we can apply include and exclude in Power BI. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.